Hey guys, so now that we're done installing Git, we want to use Git for source control. Now, how do we do this? The first thing you want to do is to open up your Git-bash terminal. We're going to be making use of our Git-bash terminal for this. And I'll zoom in a bit. Then before we get started with anything, we need to configure our Git-bash so that anytime we make any commit, anytime there's a commit, any change that has been made, we can tell who made the change. So first of all, we'll specify the name, and we do this by typing this command git config -- global username user.name. Then you go ahead and enter your username. And you hit enter. Now we've specified our username. So any commit that we make, any change that is made from this git will be made from this username. So now we're going to specify our email. I'll use a similar command, git config user.email. Then you go ahead and enter your email. I'll be using my email. Then you go ahead and hit enter. Now we'll be making use of this git config command. And I'm pretty sure you don't know what git config means. So in the future, anytime you come across a git command, anytime you come across any command, and you're actually having a hard time trying to tell what this command does, you can just go ahead and ask Git for help using this command. Let's say we want Git to tell us about git config. So we'll just go ahead and enter git config dash help, H for help, and go ahead and hit enter. Then it's going to bring out every option that works with git config, what git config does, and everything that you can use git config with. Is going to bring it out. Git config, rename section to rename section, old name, new name, git config, get color, find the color configured. It's going to bring out everything about the command. So we'll just go ahead and you can navigate. Okay, let's enter this git help. Now this also works the same way. It's going to tell you the usage of git help, how git help can be used. It's going to tell you what cloning a repository means, what init means, and all these things. You can just go ahead and look it up when you have the time. So now, let's say you want more information on git config. Let's say you're not satisfied with this information you got here on git config. Let's go ahead. Before we do that, let's clear our terminal. To clear your terminal, so you have a free working space, Just hit the clear command and it's going to clear your terminal. Then let's say you're not satisfied with the information you got and you want a more detailed information. You can make use of this option, git help config. You can make use of this command called git help config. Now what git help config does is once you hit enter, it opens up a manual in your web browser. Now it doesn't actually matter whether you're offline or online, whether you have an internet connection or not. It opens up a manual on the command that you need help on. It opens up a manual telling you things about this command, how you can make use of this command, descriptions of the command, the options in which you can use the command with. So just go ahead and explore. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.